Are you ready to edit like a pro without spending a dime? In today's video, we'll dive into top 5 free video editing software options in 2025 that you can start using right now. First on the list is Clipchamp. It's perfect for beginners and anyone who needs a quick, simple edit without downloading heavy software. Clipchamp offers drag and drop functionality, template and text overlays, and basic transitions. Plus, it's integrated with Microsoft, making it a great choice for Windows users. While advanced features like 4K export require paid plan, its free version is ideal for basic projects. Next up is OpenShot, open source video editor that is versatile as it is user-friendly. OpenShot is perfect for creators who need a tool for trimming, cutting, and layering multiple clips. It also supports keyframes, unlimited layers, and advanced animation options. Being free and cross-platforms, it works on Windows, Macs, and Linux, make it accessible for everyone. Coming in number 3 is Lightworks. This is where we step into professional grading editing territory. Lightworks has been used to edit Hollywood films, and its free version is surprisingly robust. You get access to advanced features like precision trimming, video effects, and multi-track editing. The downside, the export resolution is capped at 720 in free version, but for small projects, it's more than enough. Cupcut is a game changer. Initially designed for TikTok and Instagram creators, Cupcut offers powerful tools like auto captions, green screen effects, and sound synchronize. It's fun, perfect for creating short-form content, best of all available on mobile and with desktop, so you can switch between devices seamlessly. Finally, we have the PowerHouse, DaVinci Resolve. This editor is hands down the best free software for advanced editing, color collection, and audio post-production, with a feature like Fusion for VFX and Fairlight for audio. DaVinci Resolve is a favorite among professionals. While the learning curve is steeper, it's worth the effort if you are serious about video production. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best free video editing software in 2025. Whether you are beginner or pro, there's an editor here for you. Which one you are excited for or to try? Let us know in a comment below, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video. Peace.